Hi guys, it is Vlogmas day number 25. So for day 25, I don't have any square to make. I just need to start laying out all the squares and start stitching them together. But having said that, I do have so much yarn left. I have this basket which is full of yarn, which I can actually might make about 6 more squares. So before I rush into working and stitching up everything together, I'm going to wear through the stash and try to see how much squares I can come up with. In addition to, let me show you all my finished squares. These are all of my finished squares that I have to do day by day. There are 24 squares. So before I start seeing the placement and stitching them together, I will just do a little bit of more squares and I show you what I come up with.
this Vlogmas series comes to an end. I really enjoy doing these vlogs for you and crocheting these 24 squares with you. I've also crocheted an extra 6 squares, so I make the blanket a little bit bigger using the yarn that I had left over. I also used the same patterns that I've already created from the previous squares so that it will be complementing. I would love to know from you which part of the series you enjoyed the most, and maybe which one of the series was most enjoyable for you to watch. Overall, the Crochet Society Advent Calendar was very beautiful. I really enjoyed doing these squares, truly. Having said that, there were some mistakes, pattern mistakes, which were either the video and the pattern do not match, or there's a slight error in the pattern, but other than that, it was quite manageable. I still managed to do and create the square on that specific day. This was my first ever advent calendar, crochet related. I would also like to ask for your help. I am interested in more advent calendars, so to prepare myself for the next Vlogmas next December. I know it's early, but I would love to have feedback from you of any other crochet or knitting related advent calendars out there that you would like me to maybe give a try and give you my feedback, or watch me create these advent calendars for you on my channel. I enjoyed this, so I'm looking forward to trying more. It doesn't have to be crochet, I can also knit, so that's not a problem. I would like to also thank you all for the support this year. It was amazing that I am reaching 2K subscribers. It's mind-blowing that a lot of you are watching my videos. I truly appreciate reading your comments, seeing that you like my videos. So thanks a lot for your support. I do reply to each comment, so if you're here, just say hi and let me know whatever, what you enjoyed most, or just say hi and where you're from. I'm from Malta, which is very tiny and not much people know about it, so there's that. It is unbelievable that I got to this point, and I'm looking forward to work harder and create more patterns for you. I look forward to 2023 because I have so many video ideas in mind that I would love to execute for you, and to eventually make this my full-time job, but we'll see. I look forward to having more viewers and more subscribers and help this channel keep growing and create a community between us. So I hope you had a lovely Christmas together with your family and friends and your loved ones. If you don't celebrate Christmas, I hope you enjoyed your holidays. I really enjoyed doing this Vlogmas series with you. I got to spend more time with my family. I wish you a wonderful year ahead. I hope that you will have a lovely 2023 filled with love, happiness, health, and everything that you desire. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when my next video is up. I shall be taking a tiny break, but I will be back posting more videos for you. And with that, I will leave you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys! Goodbye!